Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Guru. Today I'm bringing you a graphic design tutorial using Envato Elements. So if you're a graphic designer and you're new at using Envato Elements, you've come to the right place. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, but first, the link to Envato Elements is in the description box below. So if you don't have it, please do make sure you check it out. It's only around $15 a month if you pay for the year. Super worth it. Now let's get into the video. All right. So with Envato Elements, you get unlimited access to hundreds and thousands of assets. So we'd want to go into graphic templates. You click that on the top and you can see there's quite a few graphic templates available. Now let's say I'm working on a project to make a business card. I can easily click on the business card and just scroll down and I have a library of different business cards that I can use. So I'm going to try and look for one that I really like and that I could potentially use and edit for my client. I think this one's pretty nice. So let's say I'm working with like a plant store or like an earthy brand. I'd go for this. The applications supported are mentioned on the right hand side. So Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. So it's pretty much easy to use those and edit on those platforms. You only need to download now. So you create a project name and then you can download with or without a license. Basically, if you download with a license, you can never get copyrighted for it. There are rules on licensing, but I've made a separate video for that, so you can check those out. Alrighty, so I'm happy with this. I would go download it and edit on my Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. And there we go. We have a client that has a new business card. You can even get a preview of what it would look like. So they'd have attached a few photos and you can just scroll through them to see if you'd be happy with it actually being printed on an actual card. So let's say I'm happy with this, but I want to see what else I can do with, the different assets available. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to try and look for another one. So let's see if there's any other one that I like. Okay, so we can even tweak it on the top. So let's say I don't find something that I like. And I want a poster, for example. I'm not looking for a logo, I'm looking for a poster. I can easily just go up to the graphic templates and search exactly what kind of poster I'm looking for. So if you just click on posters, you get hundreds and thousands of results. So you can see on the left-hand side, the number of different results. So 29,600, pretty good. If I can't find something specific, I can go on the AI search button on the top right corner and just search, I need a flyer for a marketing campaign for a, let's say restaurant. Okay, so I'm working on a marketing campaign for a restaurant and I need to make a poster for them. How specific is that? So right off the bat, I love the first one. I'm going to click on it and see if I can actually make use of it. And it looks pretty good to me. So if I was a graphic designer working on a project for a poster or a marketing campaign for a restaurant, I would just download this and use Adobe Photoshop and Adobe InDesign to edit my poster. If you go to the bottom, you can find similar graphic templates. So let's say the marketing campaign was a success and they ask you to do another one. You just go down and find a similar one. Wow. The AI search tool really is a game changer. So make sure to use that when you're stuck or when you can't find the right one for you. Okay, going back and let's see, this time I'm going to look for something else. So let's say I'm working on a different project, on a logo this time. So I'm supposed to make a brand logo. A lot of graphic designers obviously got those kind of jobs. So you would be assigned a task to make a logo for a client. You get 62,000 results when you just search logo, which gives you a huge library of logo assets. So I'm pretty happy with that. Let's say you like a specific one. You can click on it, have a view, and go on from there. Okay, so I want to click on graphics and see what I can find in graphics that would be useful. So there's different types of patterns, collections. I can search for mockups and I can easily get access to different mockups. I can find logo mockups. There are a few different video logos as well if you'd be interested in that. So you really can search for anything you want in the creative graphic industry and chances are you will find them here. So if I just look for logo and if I go into the AI search and this time I'm looking for something else that's specific, so suggest a few logos for a, let's say, new barbershop? Yeah, let's see if something comes up for that. So for a new barber with a unique design, let's see if we find unique barber logos. Okay, so quite a few. And if you're not happy with the 8 that have showed up, you can click on the show more button on the bottom. But I think these are pretty cool for a barbershop with a unique twist. So you keep scrolling down and you'll get more results. And if you're not happy with that still, you can go back to the AI search and tweak your search even more. So you get patterns, you can get icon packs, Instagram stories, everything at your disposal when you just search for one specific thing. So if you're happy with one logo, you can then find your pattern, you can then find the Instagram story, you can find an icon pack, branding pack, you can find fonts as well. So if you're working on a new identity or a new brand, you can literally create a brand package with fonts and icons and Instagram stories and everything to do with that brand, and your clients would be really happy with you. So that's the graphic templates for you. You can also go to sound effects, and if you want to create, let's say, a specific type of video for your clients, you can easily find the right background, the right music, the right soundtracks right here. So you really don't need any other platform at this point. You have everything from start to finish right in Envato Elements, which is pretty cool if you ask me. All right, so let's see what else we could do. We can try and look for something that could be useful to you. So for example, we have artwork, there are catalogs, you can see there's quiz apps, there's all sorts of other materials and assets available for you just to accompany whatever work or client or project you're working on. Okay, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you haven't subscribed to Envato Elements yet, I would highly recommend it. I've put the link in the description box below. It's super useful and handy for graphic designers, especially if we work on a lot of clients per month and if you use this as a source of income. It does start from $15 a month, but it gives you unlimited access to everything, so you never have to buy anything again from their website. Take care, until next time.